are dead, you know.
Nah, get him dead, man. Pass it.
You sit down there. And I ram it, you know. So I go to the...
Come on, that's it.
Turn up another one, I believe. Another man. You're like goat man, man. Watch out, I want the dead man. Hello! Hello! Hello!
One of them.
What the fuck with them?
Watch your eye, Audrey.